Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Fisker update. Everyone's asking for a Fisker update. About a week or so ago, I gave you my final thoughts on it, and I expressed really a very important point that it is not over. Many of you are saying it's over, it's done, it's dusted. It may well be, but it isn't all over until the fat lady sings. It's not showing on my brokerage because I never own the stock, and I've never owned the stock. I only own the S&P 500, so you know my views and opinions are real. I'm not pumping the stock. I'm not trying to get you to subscribe, even though I do invite you to subscribe to my channel. And there's a good reason why I ask you to subscribe to my channel. Not for me, but for the little fellas. For the little fellas, there you go. That's why you should subscribe to my channel, not for any other reason. I'm not in the stock. I'm not pumping it. I'm just bringing you the facts. Well, I've got a breaking news update here for you this morning. If you like the little fellas, by the way, tap the like button, right? They're our new mascot of the show. We love the little fellas. Anyway, so we've got some news. Now, I said to you on April the 28th, we're going to get this vote. That's when Henrik Fisker has scheduled a vote for the investors. Currently, it's not delisted, as some people would say, and Marcus Brownlee and Elon Musk might wish it to be. It's not delisted. It's just taken off some exchanges at the moment. But it's available if you were still if you still held a position, and many of you have been trading it and have been making money. All right, that's a fact. Right, but on April the 28th, there's supposed to be, of course, things can change, there's supposed to be a vote for the members to reverse split to re-enter the index. That's what we're hoping. Anyway, to show you some latest news just in, it's not all over. Fisker have not gone to sleep. It's not being delisted. It's not ended. We do have some latest news just out. And I'm going to share this with you just to show you there is action going on behind the scenes. Okay, excuse me. In a recent shift, in fact, I'm going to look to my mirror screen because this text is very, very small. So I apologize for looking away from the text. In a recent shift within its corporate governance, Fisker, an electric vehicle manufacturer, announced the appointment of John S. Dubel to its board of directors, effective immediately. This has just happened a couple of days ago. The announcement came on the heels of William R. McDermott's resignation from the board and the audit committee on March 28, 2024, due to his employer's request to lessen his external board commitments. The company clarified that McDermott's departure was not due to any disagreements with Fisker practices or strategies. John S. Dubel, now a Class 2 director whose term will expire at the 2025 annual stockbrokers meeting, also joins the audit committee. According to the company's statement, Dubel's selection was made without any pre-existing arrangements or understanding with other individuals and has no family ties to any current director or executive officer of Fisker. His compensation, as outlined in the independent director agreement dated April the 3rd, includes a monthly fee of $35,000 prorated for partial service, along with reimbursement for reasonable out-of-pocket expenses related to his new role. I wouldn't mind being paid at $35,000 to sit on a board. Anyway, prorated for his new role. Additionally, Dubel will enter into an indemnification agreement consistent with those signed by existing directors. The point of this is Fisker is still active. They have not packed everything up. They are appointing people, and they're paying wages and so on and so forth. The company also disclosed that it's actively exploring strategic alternatives. Thank you for that subscription. This is being made during a live video, which may involve various complex transactions such as restructurings, capital market activities, asset sales, or other strategic deals. However, Fisker acknowledges that these processes are fraught with uncertainties and risks, and there can be no assurance of favorable terms or any outcome given the current market conditions. In light of this ongoing review, Fisker has withdrawn all previously issued financial and operational guidance for 2024, initially disclosed on February 29th, 2024. The company decided not to provide updated guidance during this period of strategic evaluation. So the point to take away from this is it's not all over. We are still waiting for that April 28th meeting. Now, of course, we're expecting 100% for it to go through. And the little fellas are looking over the cliff and going, we hope so. We hope so. We'd love to get excited again for Fisker. But anyway, there's the little fellas. So we are expecting that to go through and be passed as a reverse split. Then it can re-enter the index, and then we'll see where we go from there. So, is this an opportunity to buy? Well, not for everyone. If you were already in, you can trade, but there's not much going on at the moment. But just wanted to update you with the latest information sent in by one of our members. Thank you for that. It's not all over. It doesn't look good, but it's not all over. There's our latest Fisker update. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Also here as well, there is the extra channel. We are live 12 hours a day now, bringing you the breaking news. You hear me talking on the phone to directors. You hear me talking on the phone to different people. All goes on here behind the scenes in the extra channel. The link is below. You might want to be part of the extra channel as well. And people support each other and let us know minute by minute what's going on. It's a very, very useful channel, and it's available for free for everyone to access that. Okay, over here, I'll post more information I think you might find valuable in the series. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.